Man, it is a beautiful day here in Southern California, and I was coming home from golfing today and I didn't even realize I got routed by this particular community, and this community is by DR Horton and it's called La Ventana. And they got a couple of different floor plans over here, and what enticed me about this is that there's no HOA, there's multi-gen here, and the square footages are from just under 1,900 square feet on a single story to over 3,000 square feet on 2 stories with multi-gen in Winchester. Let's go check this out. So they have 3 different floor plans here. There's a 2946. That one actually has supposedly a multi-gen suite. We're gonna go take a look at that. And then there's a 2537. And I think there's another floor plan that goes all the way up to over 3,000 square feet. But this one is a single story, and I believe this is a 4-bedroom, but it's just under 1,900 square feet. It's like 18.9 and change. Holy cow, wow, I wanna take a look at that. We're gonna start over here with this right here. This is a single story, a residence, 1890. Single story, guys, by DR Horton. 1890, and I am assuming that is the square footage. So the 1890 is the square footage. I just gotta say, this single story, man, there's some great separation of the bedrooms. Let's go over this floor plan. All right, starting from the front, you've got 2 bedrooms up front. 1, 2, and these bedrooms are separated by a bathroom. From a privacy and noise perspective, that is pretty cool. It's not like someone's always going to be in the bathroom every single time, right? So when it's quiet and the house is quiet, both of these rooms get some peace and quiet, especially at night. Now you've got another of the secondary bedrooms here. We are coming down the hallway from the front door. I just showed you those 2 bedrooms, but we're coming down to this bedroom right now. So when we come in here, whoop, wait a minute. There is a full-on bathroom right here with a stand-up shower. Are you kidding me? And then the bedroom, it doesn't have a walk-in closet. It does have a sliding wardrobe door, which is nice. And it's paneled too, so it's not like it's flat, so it's nice looking, right? But you can't have everything. You can't have a walk-in closet for your guest bedroom on an 1,890 square foot home. Very rare, right? And then you look at this. The washer, dryer, nice separation, because on the other side of that is going to be your kitchen, and when people are slamming that microwave door closed for a midnight snack, it's not bouncing up against someone else's bedroom door on the other side of that, right? Then you've got the common area right here, and you even have an island. You could probably fit about 3 people up at this particular island. They're just being a little generous here. And you still have a nook area, and then look at this couch. You could probably have about 8 people on that couch, 9, and the kids on the floor is probably 10 and 11. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at the primary bedroom here. I love how they did this airy light, and those pendants, whoever your guy's decorator is, congratulations, kudos to you. That looks awesome. And look at this color scheme. Seafoam green. Man, that stuff is, if it's not coming in, they're gonna make it be coming back in. But look at this. You have got the primary bathroom here with the his and her sinks. And then we walk, ooh, look, that's a generous walk-in shower, water closet, and that's even wide too. Almost accessible type thing, right? Accessibility. So then you've got the walk-in closet. It's not huge, but you know what? Again, this is an 1,890 square foot home. This is probably one of the best floor plans that I've seen on a home that's 1,890 square feet. And you have the vaulted ceilings. Wait a minute. This is an awesome floor plan, guys. Don't miss it. Come and check these guys out. We'll reserve this one behind me, the 2537, for another time. I just don't have that much time, but we are going to take a look at this one right over here, which is the 2946, and this is the one with the multi-gen. So we are going to take a look at this multi-gen first. All right, so there's a little walkway that they have right up here. I'm just going to step over this real quick. Shouldn't be, but it's quick enough. I'm going to go check it out. Multi-gen entrance. That goes right back into the house. This little coat closet, it's the only thing that you don't have is a grill or a stove. George Foreman grill can go right there. Electric grill, boom, you're done. And then the microwave, upgraded cabinet, dishwasher. Wow, that's a full bathroom, by the way. And then it's almost like a tiny little primary bedroom back here. Again, with the pendant lights, great job. Not only that, but they made a teeny little courtyard for it. That is awesome. This is a stackable whirlpool washer and dryer. That is likely an option or something that you would have to pay extra for with the builder. Nice little office nook right up there by the front door. See that? You just have an office desk right there. That is enough for many people who remotely or work from home. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the rest of the house by walking into the front door entryway. It's gonna come with all the smart home technology. Full show. Nice wide entryway. That's nice. So that was the multi-gen. So we would be coming through there. Normally that's not a glass door. So here we are back into the main portion of the house. There's a little study nook right up by the front door. That's really clever. Good space saver. All right. Now, ooh, there is another bedroom on the downstairs. Very cool. And that bedroom does have a full bath. Of course, they thought of it. Full bath. Stand-up shower. That's garage. This is going to be storage closet. So far, very, very good design. I love how the stairs does not come directly into the front door. So you've got this angle. Sometimes if the stairs come from here and they go directly to the front door, that is not good feng shui for many people. So we're walking upstairs and the first thing we're hit with is gonna be this nice size loft or bonus room. This is very generous. Now you're looking out here on these windows, you'd be looking out at the front of the house. And of course that would be the driveway. We are in a cul-de-sac. But look at this, your laundry room. It's all by itself in its own corner with no bedrooms even touching it. So from a noise perspective, that's awesome. All right, so we're gonna look at the secondary bedrooms. I'm gonna say the best for last. Secondary, 2 beds in here. Why did they show that? They wanna let you know that it's big enough to do 2 beds. Not every bedroom can do that, especially with new homes. Now, we're gonna go into this other bedroom. I think that's bedroom number 2. So you've got the full bathroom with the 2 sinks, so this can support 2 different bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms it's supported, and the other is the other one that I just showed you. Normal size bedroom, just right off of the loft. And the other bedroom it would support would be really that bedroom down there. Now we walk into the primary, and bam, this is a nice, generous size. Very nice. That this primary bedroom closet is definitely more generous than the last one. Not huge, but enough. Check out the yards. That is about, I would say about 50 feet, maybe 15 to 16 feet back. And we're talking about 55 to 60 wide. So 6,000 and 7,000 square foot lots on average. I just found out that investors, and they're like, honestly, there's no issue with investors here. And they don't have an HOA. That's crazy, guys. So anyway, she said we can get you probably down with our points if you use DHI mortgage. Even if you're an investor, probably down to right around 5% or just slightly under. That's crazy. So if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff, make sure that you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. That way I can continue to bring this stuff week after week, month after month. I love doing it. Just let me know that you love it too.